Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with the circuit where I've made this Arduino security panel with this keypad, and yeah. So let me just run the project. Okay. So basically now we have this LCD displaying welcome and a new password. So right now the door is locked and the red LED is glowing. So when I write the password 1234, so the password is 1234. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that the green LED glows and it shows verified. Okay, so the password right now is 1234. Now what if we change the password? So if I change the password to say 5683, let me just run it. So again the door is locked, the red LED is glowing. So if I type the password on the keypad 5683, yeah, it works. The green LED glows and shows verified. And now what if I just press an invalid key, which is the ABCD? So we have defined that over here, the invalid keys. So over here you can see define invalid keys, which are A, B, C and D, and also the star. So if I press on A or B, invalid key, C, D is invalid key, and if I press on this star, invalid key. Yeah. Only if I type 5683, it works. I can change the password again and again, and yeah, I can just play the circuit. Change it to quadruple 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I need to run the project. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you see it works. So thank you everyone.